Hi, this is Guy Lowe with Electro-Voice, and today we're going to show you how to connect a foot switch to your Everse 8 to enable or disable effects. Okay, so on the input panel you'll see there's a 1/4 inch input for your foot switch, and you can connect your foot switch there. We're using a microphone in input 1. Here is the signal without effects, and you can toggle to the signal with effects. It's that simple. Okay, there you have it. Connecting a foot switch to your Everse 8, easy.